morning, my dear friends. How wonderful it is to see you today. Thank you so much for joining us on FLTV. My name is still Rob, and I am very excited to present our latest episode of Art with Abby. Here in beautiful Portland, Oregon, we are accustomed to experiencing a little bit of rain every now and then, particularly in the springtime, when the weather seems to change from sunny to rainy in a matter of seconds. With that in mind, today Abby is going to teach us how to draw an umbrella. Check it out.
Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to draw this cool umbrella here, and I hope you all love it. So we're gonna start with the top of the umbrella, which is just one line, and then another line, and then the bottom, which is just gonna be a lot of zigzags, however many you want. Then for the handle, a line down and curved up. And then a few lines connecting to the top. And then one small line on the very top. So now it's time to color, so you can pick whatever colors you want and color each section with a different color. And as you can see, I've chosen these colors to fill in each spot of my umbrella. Now it's time for rain. Grab a blue marker and just do a bunch of lines all around, but make sure to not put them underneath the umbrella. And now you're done. Awesome job. I hope you all enjoyed that, and I'll see you next week.
Beautiful. Thanks, Abby. As you may know, for the past 2 weeks, we have been making safe home visits and dropping off art supplies so our friends can get creative at home. Thank you so much to those of you who have emailed me photos of the projects you've been working on. It is my great pleasure to share them with you now on FLTV. Please enjoy the beautiful work of some of our very own full-life artists. Here they are. Great work, everybody. So cool. Please feel free to share your art, photos, videos, stories, jokes, questions, suggestions, and comments by emailing me at this email address. That's robgray@fulllife.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much. Stay safe out there and have a wonderful day.